Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to fulfill orders on Shopify, Zendrop and Zendrop Shopify Dropshipping. So let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to log into your Shopify account and you will end up over here. On the left side of the menu, you will find Add Apps. Just click on this and under that we have Shopify App Store. Once you click on that, it will take you to the page of App Stores. Wait for a while until it's load up because it might take some time. It depends on your internet connection. And once you are here, you are going to search for Zendrop. So this is what I'm gonna write down over here. And once you search that, you will see something like this. Click on this one and it will take you right over here. As you can see, free plan available. That means it has a plan for free, which you can use for forever. There are some free trial and 14 days free plan. That means they have some limited amount of free plan, but this one free plan available, that means that it has a free plan for you can use and it has their own features. And we will talk about the pricing plan at the end of this video. So for a while we are going to click on install over here and it will take you one more page where you are going to click on install, so it will connect it to your Shopify account. Once you click on install over here, let's wait for a while and until it's load up so we can continue, and after that you will end up over here. Here you can see that right away. Once you click on install, it will take you on the page of Zendrop application. Right away you will see you are almost set. That means that you are going to create a Zendrop account over here. You just need to enter your password because you can access this store through your Shopify. So once you enter the password, you will see something like this. On the left side at the top, you will see your store. If you are confused that what is your store, just click on this and it will open up in a new link window. So you will see your store over here. So this is the one which I have created recently. So yes, this is the one which we are looking for. I'm gonna open my online store already. So in future, I don't want to open this up again. So this is going to be in my new tab. Why? Because you will see later on in this video. I'm just going to close all the tabs, and after that we are going to select any product over here. Then after that we are going to order on that product. Once we click on order, we are going to fulfillment all the orders from Zendrop. So let's wait for a while. Let's see how many products are over here and which product we can choose from. And for this tutorial, I'm going with the very random one, which is this one, and mini facial humidifier, I guess. So this is what I'm gonna use for my website, or you can say my store. Here you can see the add to my products. Once you click on this one, you will see on the left side we have my products option over here. Once you click on that, you will see over here, this is your going to be your products and this is going to be your import list as well. You can also click on this if you want and it will show you what is this all about. And once you go back again, click on review and publish and wait for a while until it's look up like this. So here you can just see that we have product name, tags and product type. This is very important, product tags. Why? Because product tags is the only thing which people will search and this product will come up. So make sure take your time to add product tags, and this might take some time and might take some research, or try to search humidifier on Google and see what are the keywords people are searching related to humidifier, and you can add that over here as well. So there are a lot of stuff related to product tags, but in my opinion, you should take some time by adding product tags so people could search your product as well. And you can change the name as well. Obviously, we have product type, which is going to be humidifier. So I'm just going to write that over here. And we have collection after that. So this is the collection of your store. So obviously I have recently created my website. So that's why there are no more collections over here. And this is the collection have been generated by Zendrop itself. So this is not has it done by me. So at the top we have description. You can change the description. Make sure to go ahead and change the description. I'm just gonna leave it at introducing our mini facial humidifier. So I'm just gonna try to delete all the description from over there. So we have variants. You can select the variants as well. Obviously, we have sales price, which price you are going to sell and you how much you are going to get profit. And images. Images are very good. They are sometimes if you select any product, there are a lot of images, but that images will slow down your website sometimes. So make sure select a good images and take your time to select images which is very good for your website. I don't think you should go for all of this. You can go with this one or this one and this one. And after that, you just uncheck all of them. And after that, we just need to click on publish to my store. Once you click on that, you will see something like this. Got it. Don't display this message again and click on confirm. So as you can see, I have done that. My connection status is linked. That means that my product has been linked to my Shopify store. So how you can do that? You can just easily click on link and it would open up your Shopify account and it will take you to the products, and under products you will see all the details which you have added, as you can see. And you can see, like, click on back and you will see that over here as well. You can open this preview on online store and it will open up like this. So you can see we have the page as well ready to buy. Let's say I want to buy this one, right? So I'm going to go back to this page which I was talking about, and I'm just going to refresh this page so I can see that over here and click on this one. And after that, I'm just going to buy this. So once someone buy your product from your website, you will see all the orders on the Zendrop application. Here you can see on the left side we have orders, and this is where you are going to see everything. Right now you don't see anything. Why? Because I recently created this Shopify store. That means I need to upgrade my store. You need to have upgrade your store, otherwise this won't work. Unfortunately, orders only work when you are on a plan of Shopify. So you can click on select the plan from over here and you can select any one of them from over here. And after that, you can go ahead and start giving an order. But once you give an order, you can come back over here, and here you are going to enter the manually address and all the necessary things of your customer on that specific order. Once you've done that, you just enable that from over here and your order will be started on your Shopify store as well. This is how you are going to do fulfill orders from your Zendrop. And let's talk about Zendrop pricing plan as well. If we are here at the bottom left corner, just click on upgrade and it will take you right over here. And here you can see we were using free version, and you can see access to 1 million plus products, and the second thing is 24/7 support. So we need to do manually fulfillment orders. And on the left side, we have Pro and Plus, and here you can see automated fulfillment. That means that if a person have given an address when they are ordering to your website, Zendrop will automate it the fulfillment if you have this plan or this one. But unfortunately, if you're starting up, $49 for per month is very high in my opinion. So you can go ahead and once you start earning, you can go ahead and start upgrading with the second one. In that case, you don't need to come back on your orders again and try to do fulfill orders each and every one by clicking on individual orders. So once you upgrade that, it will be automated fulfillment for both of these plans. But in free version, you cannot do that. And we have more features over here. If you click on view all features, you will see the differences. And obviously the plus version has all the features. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to fulfill orders on Shopify Zendrop. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.